Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I promised I wouldn't do this ever again and I'm already regretting it. My backdrop looks so messy. I was just like, this is like more of like a fashion video. I just really want to show off my closet in the background. And again, I look like I'm in this super cramped closet, but I actually have a lot of space in here, so it's just really awkward looking. I look super cramped. And I'm sorry guys, so remind me to never film in my closet again with this backdrop. Thank you! Anyway, today's video is long awaited because I'm actually going to do a review on my Christmas present from Franz, which is my first Lady Dior bag. And you know what? My purse has actually spent most of its time right here inside this box because it is so fragile and I'm just terrified of wearing it in. So let's just go ahead and kind of unbox my Dior bag a little bit. I took forever, like I was probably in the store for hours and the sales associate probably thought I was crazy, but I really had to make a decision because these bags are super pricey. So this is what I picked out for my first Lady Dior bag. I think it's a pearl Lotus mini Lady Dior bag. It's so teeny tiny and I just love it because micro and mini bags are totally my thing. If you watch this channel, you already know that I am obsessed with little handbags. And then I got a personalized scarf to put around the handle because I saw a lot of ladies in Japan doing this and I thought it was so cute. So this just made it kind of feminine. It personalized it a little bit. It says Dior right there. And then we have the little charms on this side, and on the back side it actually doesn't have any charms. It doesn't really have anything. I didn't even put a scarf on the back side because it's all about the front. It doesn't have a zipper because the structure of the bag doesn't allow for a zipper, but it does have a little flap so that if you do turn it upside down, nothing really falls out unless you're carrying like a brick in there. And this flap opens up to fit your things inside. So what I've noticed is that this bag isn't very flexible, it doesn't carry much, and it gives me anxiety because I don't want to scratch it up. They told me that this material is very delicate, so if you scratch it, it's going to be really hard to like fix it. So it scares me, so I carry this around for very bougie dates or for very fancy events, and I never travel with it. I might take it to Paris, maybe, but I'll literally be holding it like this the whole time because I don't want anything to happen to it. It's just my baby and it stays in the box. The accessory that this bag came with is this chain strap, and it's more unique from the other Lady Dior bags because they usually come with like a thicker strap. So I think this collection where it has like the pearly material is the only ones that have the chain strap. I could be wrong. So whenever I think that I'm gonna carry this bag, I end up reaching for my Saint Laurent Sac De Jour because they're similar colors, as you can tell. But this one is just a lot more durable. It can take a beating, and I'm super clumsy, so I would like scrape stuff against the door and stuff, so I just feel like this Sac De Jour can just handle a little bit more. And the material is a grained leather, so it doesn't really show a lot of wear and tear as Lady Dior bag would. And it's crazy because I think this bag is half the price of the Lady Dior. It obviously doesn't look as luxurious, but I am noticing that this bag is also becoming a signature item that everyone is going after. So I do like this bag. I think my only concern is that there's no zipper at the top, so everything does spill out. It doesn't have that flap, so your items aren't very secure. It does have the removable strap, and it's also adjustable right here, which is super duper nice. And of course you can take it off if you want to. This one doesn't have any pockets, so it's just the bag and that's it. The Lady Dior bag does have a tiny little zipper pocket on the inside, so if you have like any valuables, credit cards, IDs, you can slide them right in here to secure them even more. So out of these two bags, I'm definitely reaching for the Sac De Jour a lot more than the Lady Dior. So if you're looking for like a first time purchase, definitely get this one first because you'll get much more of a use out of it. This is definitely for special occasions, but I feel like every woman has to have a Lady Dior bag at some point in their lives because it's just so luxurious and so nice, and it is like a really nice luxury item to have. So the timing for this video is perfect because I did get a gift from Angela Roi, and this is actually going to be my first time ever seeing this handbag. It's still in the packaging. I haven't peeked, but I think that this is going to be a great alternative that I'm going to love, especially for daily wear. So I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the bag. This is the dust bag. It's like a really nice thick canvas leather. says Angela Roi in gold print across the front. So Angela Roi is actually a collection of animal-friendly handbags, which means that they don't use any leather and they don't harm any animals in the process of creating these bags. So this is not leather, but the structure is still incredible and it has that same luxurious leather finish. As you can tell, the stitching is absolutely flawless and it offers everything that any luxury handbag would offer. On the tag here, it says a little bit about the brand. It says that Angela Roi is a New York-based ethical luxury handbag company, and each bag that's purchased from Angela Roi actually goes to support mistreated animals, so they're really doing everything they can to protect the animals and make sure that everyone is being cruelty-free. So I just went ahead and removed the plastic from the top handle. It has one top handle right here. It's very sturdy, but it's also flexible, which is a really nice material. And across the front here, you see the detailing that has Angela Roi imprinted onto the purse. Alright, so opening up the bag, on the inside, this does have a button top clasp, and that's how you close it up. But it has a lot of coverage, so I feel like even if the bag tips over or anything like that, nothing will fall out, obviously, because it's clasped and it's totally secure. And on the inside, you see a whole bunch of pockets. So we have one large pocket here, we have a medium-sized pocket here in the middle, and then we also have a nice zipper pocket. Obviously, we have our compartment where you can put all your main stuff, and then we have another card-sized pocket and then another full pocket. So for people that are super just like all over the place like me, these pockets are really nice because they're gonna help me stay organized. And the best part is that you can get this bag for a fraction of the price for these two other bougie bags that I just talked about. So of course the Angela Roi bag does come with a really nice shoulder strap, and it has a really nice quality finish to it. The shoulder strap is not adjustable, and it's not a crossbody, it's more of a shoulder. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so you can see exactly how it fits. So this is what it looks like with the shoulder strap on, and you can see that it is a really nice shoulder length strap, but you can't really wear it as a crossbody because it could look a little bit awkward. So this purse is the Angela Roi Hamilton satchel, and it retails for about $235, which is awesome because it's still a luxury quality bag, but no animals are harmed in the process of creating this bag. They're actually helping mistreated animals. And of course you get the entire luxury experience of having a luxury handbag. So if you want to learn more about Angela Roi, go ahead and click the link down below. And full disclosure, Angela Roi did gift me this bag to review, but everything that I said in this video is obviously my honest opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.